twist it. Push it in. Gently.
It's...
There you go.
It's in there.
Now listen to me. Listen. Look at me. Look at what I'm trying to tell you. When you take a ring off, you have to push it into the softest part towards the knuckle. There you go.
Okay, I'm recording this.
How you doing?
Tickle, tickle.
Okay. Hold this. I'm going to do it. Okay, just now push it inside so that I'm not pressing on your knuckle. Come on out here. Come on out here. Because I have to have something to lever against. I'll try it. Gently.
What
The ring fell off. Go this way. This way, gently.
Hang on. Ah! It hurts! It hurts!
Okay, I'm going to get a sawzall.
Instead of
I gotta find my ring first.
instead of pushing and pulling,
Well, why don't you wiggle it around? Can you wiggle it around?
it's getting swollen.
Just hold on, Casey. Just wait.
My fingers hurt. Ow! 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 Oh.
Wait, just wait. Relax.
Urgh. Not good. No, wait, hang on. No.
Bullshit.
Hang on, give me some time.
Give you some time.
Give me some,
It's getting more fucking swollen up by the minute.
Before we do this, just give me a second.
Want me to get a roto zip?
I'll get the screwdriver. I'll get this. No, I don't want a roto zip. That's just, no, a screwdriver. I'm just gonna do it.
What do you want from me? Don't fucking just... Don't break your goddamn... Don't break your knuckle, man.
Won't that hurt, huh?
Yeah. Push your finger in before you try to put that in there.
Hope we don't have to call the fire department.
I'm gonna need the jaws of life.
Oh.
Here.
Man, I'm so close. Oh! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Come on, Casey, buck up. You can get it out.
I just need a drink.
You can get, as soon as you get your finger out, I'll get you a beer. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's just pop this.
I'm close. I'm so close. Ah, wait. Don't touch it. I got it. Patrick.
Oh, yay, Casey!
Hercules.
Let me see your finger.
Unbelievable.
So, and you did this